Hey guys, my name is Navpreet Singh and today I'm here with a new video about the 8 mistakes which you guys do in your IELTS reading exam. So let's start what kind of mistakes you guys do. Okay, so first of all, I would start by describing all of the mistakes, what kind of mistakes you guys do, and then I will describe how you can avoid it, how you can improve your reading by not doing these kind of mistakes. So let's start. First is not reading the passage topic. Second, reading the passage first, not the questions. Third is not starting with easy question types. Fourth one is starting with headings. Fifth is going aggressive. Sixth is taking on a single question. Seventh is bad concentration. And one of the biggest mistake is not preparing when in your practice days. You should practice in your practicing days or when you are preparing for it, otherwise you are not going to get marks. That's it. So talking about the first mistake, why you should read the topic. You should always read the topic because it gives you an idea what it would be about, what the passage would be about. So it would be easier for you guys to know what it would be in the reading, and when you know it, you will find it easier to attempt all the questions. You will get the idea what it is about. For example, today I did a reading of schizophrenia. It was about the mental disorder, but I knew it, so it was easy for me to attempt it. But for a normal person, it was blow away the mark. It was like that, its level was like that. But if you don't read the don't read the heading, you will not get the idea what it would be about. So it's very important to read the passage title. You should always read it. So the second is not starting with the questions. Some of you guys just start reading the passage. That is a biggest mistake. It is time consuming mistake. I would not say it's a mistake, it is a blunder. So what you should do is you should start with the questions. Whatever type of questions are those, you always read the questions first, then go for the passage. If you're not doing that, you are not going to get bands. You're not going to have much time to attempt your questions. That is the thing. So start with the questions which are easiest for you. The questions which are easiest for you are going to score you more bands because you find it easy to complete in a limited time frame. If you're not good, for example, I'm not good with the headings or endings, so I always do those at the last. So I find it easier to attempt true, false, not given, yes, no, not given questions. So I always start with that question, that type of question. If you don't, then you're going to waste your time. That's it. You should know what kind of questions are easiest for you and then attempt those, because then you will have an overall idea of the passage, what it would be in that passage, and then it would be easier for you to know what is going to be in it. Next is headings. Some people just start with the headings because when they find that there is a first type of questions are heading, let's do it, time waste. So what you should do is you should do the headings at last, because if you do the headings at last, you will get you will already have an overall idea what it would be about, what the passage is about, where to find the relevant information, which paragraph contains an overall info. So you will find it easier to attempt the heading if you do it at the last. If you don't, time wasting. And in IELTS exam, especially in reading, time is money. If you are doing those questions which you find most difficult at first, you are wasting your time. You should not do it. Instead, you should go for those questions which are easiest to you. Do those questions first. Okay, so next is going aggressive. Some people just start reading. If you are not getting an idea what you are going to read, what is written, if you are not going to get the idea of that, What is the purpose of reading? Tell me. What is the purpose of reading? No, there is no benefit of just reading and reading and reading and reading. No, there is no purpose. What you should do, you should understand it. If you are not getting it, leave that part. Go to another type of question. Go to another passage. There is no rule that you should start doing the first passage, then you should go to second, then you should go to the third. You can do the third at first. You can do the second at the last place. You should go at your own pace. You should read in such a way that you understand what is written. Next is speaking on single question. You should never ever stay on a single question. If you find that question difficult, leave it. What is the purpose of doing a difficult question when you can do 5 easy questions in the same time? Just comment in the comment box. What would be the benefit of doing one difficult question instead of 5 easy questions? If you are going to find, if you found any difficult question, just leave it. Keep that for the end. Save the time. Attempt the questions. The other questions, it can be easier for you. So if you find the easier questions, you will get more points. You will get more score. You will get more correct answers. More bands, more score. So what I do is I always leave the the hard questions at the last. Why? Because I would have a more overall idea of that passage. Then I would attempt it. Then what is the purpose of doing a difficult question if you don't have an idea? When I have an idea, I do that difficult question at last. That's how I do it. You should do the same. Okay, next is concentration. Having bad concentration, distractions. Sorry, I was thinking something else. So that was a distraction. What is the benefit of it? You have to wait. But what is the benefit of having distracted from your test in your IELTS exam? Tell me. Please comment in the comment box. What would be the benefit of distraction in your test? No. If your neighbor is doing a lot, then what is the benefit of seeing him or her? What is the benefit? No, there is no benefit. There is no advantage of it. You should think what would be the benefit of you doing your test. The person who sat before you is reading and he will do the work. So that's his life, that's his practice. Where is your practice? Think about your future. You have just spent 13,250 or whatever the price of this test is, maybe more, maybe less. What is the benefit of you distracted from your goal? Think about it. Concentrate. What are you going to get when you are not doing your exam? What is the benefit? Nothing. So you should be able to do the thing which is good for you, not for the other one. Think about your future. Okay, and the most importantly, practice days. We all have practice days. Like I have practice days. So what I do is I always read and read. Whatever I can find, whether it is newspapers, online articles, magazines, TV news channels, anything. I just read. It doesn't mean that I should just read. I should be able to understand it, what is written in it, not just read. That is one of the biggest mistakes which students do. They only read. They don't understand it. That's why the people say, I don't have the ideas. You don't have ideas because you are not paying attention. What is written? You should pay attention to what is written. If you're not going to pay attention, you're not going to focus what is written, you're not going to have ideas, you're not going to get good marks. So just make sure you don't have any distractions around yourself whenever you are reading. Whenever you find that I should read a newspaper, turn off your phone. When you are doing reading as your practice, turn off your phone. Or whenever you are reading an online article, open the whole article, turn off the mobile data, turn off the internet. You will get less distractions. Build your interest in everything. Only then you will get good score. Hey guys, my name is Navpreet Singh and today I'm here with total 8 mistakes. No. Hey guys, my name is Navpreet Singh and today I'm here with a new video. Hey guys, my name is Navpreet Singh and today I'm here with a new video about 8 mistakes which you guys do in your IELTS test. So, nice. Okay. Hey guys, my name is Navpreet Singh and today I'm here with a new video about 8 mistakes which you guys do in your reading exam. So that's all for today. Please like this video, comment below what are your problems, what mistakes you guys do in your test, in your practice days. If you have any problems, you can ask me. I would definitely comment back whatever your ideas are, whatever your problems are. So make sure to comment below, make sure to like, subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as possible.